So guys, in the last class we discussed about the psychometric properties. Now we are going to discuss the problem on how to do the problems based on the psychometric problems. So here the question is calculate the relative humidity ratio or specific humidity, dew point temperature, density and enthalpy at 35 degrees centigrade of dry bulb temperature, 23 degrees centigrade of wet bulb temperature, and pressure is at 750 mm of Hg. Remember, here the pressure is 750 mm of Hg. That means less than the normal atmospheric pressure. Pressure is less than 760 mm of Hg. So we don't have to use the psychometric chart for doing problems, because in the psychometric chart we are having 1.01325 bar at sea level or 760 mm of Hg. So we don't have to use the problems. We don't have to use the psychometric chart for using this problem. For determining these relative humidity ratio and specific humidity, if we use this psychometric chart, then the examiner will give 0 marks for this problem. So we have to do in another way. For doing this problem, we have to buy some formulas. Now we will discuss. Now we will see those formulas, how to find relative humidity and these ones respectively. So for finding relative humidity, we have to know first about the partial pressure and the partial pressure at saturation temperature. First we will discuss about partial pressure. So partial pressure formula is partial pressure at wet bulb temperature minus 1.8 into P total pressure into dry bulb temperature minus wet bulb temperature divided by 2000. This is equation 1. And specific humidity or humidity ratio is equal to 0.622 into PV, that means partial pressure divided by pressure at total minus partial pressure. Then enthalpy. Enthalpy formula H is equal to Cp into T dry bulb temperature plus W. W means the specific humidity into 2500 plus 1.88 into T dry bulb temperature. These units are kilojoules per kg of air. Now we will discuss now we will do the problem one by one. P for doing relative humidity, we have to find first PV. We don't know PV at wet bulb temperature, that means partial pressure at wet bulb temperature. Remaining all values we know. Dry bulb temperature, wet bulb temperature, P total, everything we know. From the steam table, PV at wet bulb temperature. Wet bulb temperature is 23 degrees centigrade. PV at wet bulb temperature, we will get 21.06 mm of Hg from the steam tables. Then PV is equal to, now we have the PV at wet bulb temperature value. Substitute this PV value in equation 1. PV is equal to partial pressure is equal to partial pressure at wet bulb temperature minus 1.8 into P total. P total means 750 mm of Hg. P total 750 mm of Hg into T dry bulb temperature minus T wet bulb temperature. T wet bulb temperature is 35 degrees minus 23 degrees centigrade. By doing this equation, you will get partial pressure value. Partial pressure is equal to 15.06 mm of Hg. Then second one, pressure at saturated temperature. Pressure at saturated temperature means pressure at dry bulb temperature. PV at 35 degrees centigrade. Dry bulb temperature is 35 degrees centigrade. Then you will get 42.4 mm of Hg from steam tables. Now we have PV value, PV saturated value and PV value. Now we will do relative humidity. Relative humidity is equal to PV by P saturated. We have PV value and P saturated value. First one, here relative humidity is equal to pi is equal to PV by P saturated. PV value 15.06 mm of Hg. 15.06 mm of Hg divided by P saturated 42.4 mm of Hg. 42.4 mm of Hg. 0.355 into 100 is equal to 30. This 100 gives the percentage. Normally the relative humidity values are lies in the percentage values only. So 0.355 into 100 is equal to 35.5% of relative humidity. Now we will discuss specific humidity. Specific humidity ratio. Specific humidity ratio is equal to 0.622 into PV by P total minus PV. 0.622 into 15.06 by P total means 750 mm of Hg minus 15.06. And W is equal to 0.012745. Even it is kg by kg, we have to implement here kg by kg of air, otherwise the examiner will give the negative marks for this portion only. We have to put kg by kg of air. Then the dew point temperature. Dew point temperature means is saturated temperature at partial pressure. Means partial pressure is 15.06 mm of Hg. Dew point temperature we have to find at in the steam tables at 15.06 mm of Hg. The respective temperature is called the dew point temperature. Dew point. Then the density. Density is equal to P by RT. Now we will see how this equation is coming. Normally PV is equal to R2, we have one formula, and the density formula is equal to mass by volume, or we can rewrite this as mass is equal to density into volume. Now substitute this mass is equal to density into volume in this equation. You will get PV is equal to density into volume into RT. Put volume into R into T into this side. Density is equal to PV by V into RT. V cancel. P is density is equal to P by RT. In this way, density formula comes. We have to find density of air and the density of vapor. Density of air is equal to P air by RA into T. This is equal to 750 minus 15.06. That means P total pressure minus PV partial pressure exerted by vapor into 133.5. This is 133.5 is used to convert mm of Hg into Newton per meter square by R value. R value is 287 into 35 plus 273. You will get 1.1099 kg per meter cube. This is R for air. Then the density of vapor. Density of vapor is equal to PV by RV. Is similarly PV means partial pressure. We have partial pressure value 15.06 value into 133.5. Normally it is used to convert mm of Hg into Newton per meter square by RV. R constant value is equal to 8314 by 18, that is molecular weight of water. 14, you will get 461.8 into T temperature means 35 degrees centigrade plus 273 means it is used to convert into Kelvin. Now you will get the value of 0.014135 kg per meter cube. Now the density is equal to density of air plus density of vapor. You will get 1.1099 plus 0.41 14135. You will get 1.124035 kg per meter cube. Then we have the formula for enthalpy. This is the last one. Enthalpy is equal to Cp into TdBT, dry bulb temperature, plus W means specific humidity, into 2500 plus 1.88 into T dry bulb temperature. Cp for constant pressure is equal to 1.005 of air. 1.005 air into 35 plus dry bulb temperature. 35 is dry bulb temperature plus 0.012743. That is the W value. The W value 0.012745 into 2500 plus 1.88 into 35. 35 is dry bulb temperature is equal to, you will get the value of 67.8761 kilojoules per kg of dry air. So in this way we can do the problem if the pressure is less than 750 mm of Hg. If the pressure is 760 mm of Hg or 1.01325 bar, we can use the psychometric chart. We can use the psychometric chart for doing the problems. If the pressure is less than 750 mm of Hg, then we have to use these formulas to do the problems.